Hello students, this is our first lecture of physics of class 8. Today we are going to discuss about matter. You have already read about matter since class 6. So I divided this chapter into 3 parts. In first part we are going to recapitulate the previous things, and in second part we have gone through the we will going through the molecular theory of states of matter, and in the third part the change of state means the change between the states of matter. That means solid to liquid, liquid to gas, or gas to liquid, or liquid to solid, those changes. Okay, now first we are going through the definition of matter. The matter is something which occupies space and has mass. See around you, whatever you can see and whatever you can touch, everything is matter. Now there are energy which is non-matter. Non-matter energy means heat energy, light energy, those are not matter. Okay, now discuss about the composition of matter. The historical background behind the composition of matter is, first, Indian philosopher Mahorshi Kanad proposed that the smallest particle of matter is called anu, and this anu may be made of still smaller particle called paramanu. Okay, this paramanu is the smallest particle of matter, and Greek philosopher Democritus called it as atom. Okay, now finally the modern building block of matter is given by the English chemist John Dalton in 1803. Okay, he experimentally proved that the molecules are the building blocks of matter which can independently exist in atmosphere. Okay, now understand this thing. If we are going to break or divide matter into smaller parts, we are getting molecule. We get a single molecule. Okay, molecule is the smallest independent existable part of matter. Now if we further break molecules, we get atoms. So here, suppose we are going to understand this thing with the example. Okay, suppose I am taking oxygen. Oxygen means, you know, O2. Here O2 is a oxygen molecule, and O2 contains 2 oxygen atoms. Okay, so in our atmosphere there are oxygen, so that oxygen have the property of oxygen molecule, but those are the oxygen atoms, so those does not have the property of oxygen. So the molecule of oxygen is independently existable part of matter, but these two are not independently exist. Okay, now those are the same type of atoms, and they combined and form a oxygen molecule. Now in case of water molecule, you know that the chemical formula of water molecule is H2O. This contains 2 of hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. Here two different type of atoms combine and make a single molecule. Okay, I think you understand the concept now. In the next lecture we are going to discuss about the characteristics of molecules.